Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In our previous video, we covered this kitchen and bathroom of our apartment. In this video, we are covering this section. It will be 2 bedrooms. At first, we are laying parqueting on the floor. Next, we are adjoining the partition walls to make space for 2 rooms. We are making paper crease in this color paper and we are using it as window cotton. We are joining these cardboard pieces to make the bed. Our bed is ready. We are using the thermocol for mattress and we are going to wrap it with tissue paper. We are using this yellow color paper for the bed sheet. You can choose the color of your choice. Time to add some pillows on the bed. We are making the side table for the bed. Adding a lamp as well. Some pictures will make the room more beautiful. One bedroom is complete. We are repeating the same process in the next bedroom. In this bedroom, we are also adding a study table. Computer, keyboard, mouse and chair. The room is ready.
All I wanna
guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.